Let's see, the question from Veronica is, if someone has a final order of removal after losing asylum in 2014, and you now have a T visa pending, but ICE may not wait for the T visa to be approved, what can you do? So the concern is, could I be deported while the T visa is pending? So in a case like that, the first question I would have is there a bona fide determination? So is there a bona fide determination on the T visa that's pending? But if your case for T visa status has been pending more than 6 months, you do have an option potentially to file for mandamus, which is a electronically filed lawsuits. Your lawsuits trying to push forth with getting a full T visa adjudication or bona fide determination. Because once you get a bona fide determination letter, then you cannot be deported while your T visa is pending. Okay, so then if you have a bona fide determination, it looks like that person does, then an ICE officer is saying you may still have to go because that doesn't give you status. That is concerning. That is definitely a conversation for your attorney. So I would want, as the attorney, to start getting some stuff in writing related to the bona fide determination, and also consider the mandamus option to try to push forward to a final determination in your actual case. It sounds like if you've got a bona fide determination, that's already a really good thing. And so now the issue is communicating with a low-level ICE officer who needs some education so that they can do their job more correctly instead of illegally send you out of the country. The thing is, your bona fide determination says that, like, if you look at your bona fide determination notice and just read it out loud to them, it literally says any order of exclusion, removal, or deportation is hereby stayed while the application is pending. So you already have a stay essentially because of that, but you could still do a 246 as well. So definitely want a lawyer's involvement here. These are conversations that if you're trying to argue with the attorney on your, or sorry, if you're trying to argue with ICE on your own, you're generally not going to have the same level of success as an attorney who can threaten much more serious action against the ICE officer. Including different reporting lines, AILA liaison, all of that. We want to make sure that the ones who don't necessarily have the best training at least get the information that they need, or you go over their head to a supervisor to give them the information that they need so that they don't make a mistake like deporting someone who cannot be deported when they have a bona fide determination.